Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like that. Here swipe left, and as you can see we have a screen recorder icon right here. To start the recording, just tap on it. Now select if you want sound, media sounds or media sounds and mic. Let's select media sounds and mic and then tap start recording. The countdown will start, and after it's complete, the recording will start. Here we have the menu. We can stop the recording, open the selfie camera, or start drawing on our screen. Like this. You can also choose the color. Once you're done, you can tap on the stop recording button to save the video. And now we can open the notifications and here tap on it. Select, for example, video player. As you can see, here we have our video.
Stop the recording, open the selfie camera, or start drawing.
And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.